5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On perusal of the impugned judgment, we find that the social court placed strong reliance upon the evidence of Harnek Singh and Joginder Singh, two of three eyewitnesses, as, according to it, injuries on their persons spoke volume about their presence at the spot. The special court observed that their evidence as to manner in which their parents were killed and they were beaten up by the accused appellants stood amply corroborated by the medical evidence. We have heard the learned counsel appearing for the parties at length and carefully gone through the entire evidence on record to ascertain whether the above findings recorded by the trial court can be sustained. Our such exercise persuades us to unhesitatingly answer the question in the affirmative. Both PWs 9 and 10 have detailed the entire prosecution case, including the specific roles played by the four accused appellants in the killing of their parents as also in assaulting them. Though they were cross-examined at length, nothing could be elicited to contradict them. It is, of course, true that both of them tried to suppress the fact that their father was earlier involved in some criminal cases, but their deviation from truth in that matter does not, in our view, anyway affect their credibility as regards their version of the incident, having regard to the unimpeachable evidence of Dr. Goyal, PW2, who examined them within 3 hours of the incident and found as many as 35 and 16 injuries on the persons of PW9 and PW10 respectively. The presence of these injuries goes a long way to corroborate their claim that along with their parents they were the victims of attack. We further find that Dr. Bansal, PW8, who held autopsies on the dead bodies of their parents, found 30 injuries on the persons of Gurdev Kaur and 18 on the person of Teja Singh, which again corroborated their evidence. Since the evidence of PWs 9 and 10 fully supports the prosecution case, we need not discuss the evidence of Jailer Singh, PW4, nor deal with the criticism made by the learned counsel for the appellants about his evidence. In assailing the prosecution case, it was submitted on behalf of the appellants that though a number of people live in and around the alleged place of incident, none of them was examined. We do not find any merit in this contention, for the incident took place in the early morning and there is no evidence that they of the neighbors were present at the time of the incident. Another contention that was raised on behalf of the appellants was that as Teja Singh had bad antecedents, it was not unlikely that he was killed by some others and the appellants were falsely implicated due to enmity. This contention is to be stated only to be rejected in view of the overwhelming evidence on record pointing to the guilt of the appellants. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस पैसेज का टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है.